In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Facebook page engagement. If your posts are getting quiet, these simple, proven moves will help your audience talk back, stick around, and help the algorithm push your content further. We'll focus on three core habits. Ask questions to spark comments, reply quickly to keep momentum going, and post consistently without overdoing it. Then we'll tie it all together with a straightforward formula you can remember every time you publish. Start by creating a post with a simple, clear question. Aim for something anyone can answer in a second or two. Short prompts work best, like which one do you like or agree or disagree. Keep the choices obvious and the language casual. Add a nudge to encourage answers, such as comment your pick below or tell me why in the comments. Straightforward questions reduce friction and dramatically increase the likelihood that people will respond. In fact, turning a regular post into a question can double your comment count because it gives followers an easy, low-pressure way to participate. If you're sharing an image or a short clip, pair it with a question that fits perfectly with what's on screen. Right after you post, stay active. Reply to every comment as soon as you can, especially in the first hour, because fast replies create a visible, lively conversation. Keep your responses friendly and specific. Thank people for their input, reflect something they said, and add a quick follow-up like, "What made you choose that?" or "Have you tried the other option?" Each reply adds another interaction, which signals to the platform that your post is worth showing to more people. This not only boosts engagement numbers, but keeps the post alive longer in the feed. Think of your comment section as a group chat you're hosting. Be present, keep it moving, and make it easy for others to jump in. Now post consistently, but not constantly. Aim for 3 to 4 posts per week. On days you're not posting to the feed, use stories to stay visible without overwhelming followers. Consistency tells the algorithm you're reliable, and it trains your audience to expect and look forward to your content. Choose a realistic cadence you can maintain and stick with it. A steady rhythm beats a burst and burnout pattern every time. Here's the simple formula. Conversation plus consistency plus video equals high engagement. Ask clear questions, reply fast, post 3 to 4 times weekly, use stories on off days, and lean into video when possible. Put this into practice today and watch your Facebook page engagement rise.